Hello everyone, this is today's question from weekly contest 352. Here you are given an array and an integer threshold. So you need to find the longest subarray of this array such that the first element of that subarray is even and each element has alternate parity, like one is even, so second is odd, even, odd, and all these numbers are less than a specific threshold. So we need to return an integer and we want the longest subarray. So and the constants are pretty low, like even n cube solution can do it. So basically brute force solution is enough. So we'll take two loops, then we take another j loop, then we initialize a variable count, and we will loop for this value, like I is the if this is the array, I is the beginning index, j is the end index. So we will loop through this array only if our starting element is even. So if modulus 2 is equal to 0, and for this we initialize the element c is equal to 1, and for each element between I to j we check the alternate elements are of opposite parity, like array of I should not be parity of array of I should not be equal to the parity of previous one. Then we increase our answer, else we break, and we can store this c value in a maximum value so that we can return it. And so after these three loops we can return max. This is the simple code. We take two loops I and in j, and we check if the initial element, the first element is even, and I missed on one condition, like all this and all these arrays must be less than the threshold value. So we do this and we assign a variable answer and we get an answer. Thank you.